Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the WP admin URL on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, you change this URL if you want to hide your login screen, so that people that have the link can log in, but those that don't, they won't be able to log in using the standard methods. Now, to change this, you can do this in a couple of different ways, and I'll be showing you both through this website right here. And the first one is using the plugin. Now, all-in-one WP security and firewall is the plugin I would recommend. However, iTheme security is also a good option where you can just go ahead and enable hide backend, and then you can just change the slug to, well, hide your backend, and so people can't get to it by default if they don't have that link. Now, what you can do, you can also use another plugin called WPS Hide Login. You can just download it and activate it onto your site, and then you just need to enter your login URL field. You just need to enter the new URL path for your login page that you want, and if people aren't logged in, we're gonna set up a 404 page or anything else in the redirection field. Just whichever page you want to redirect people to if they attempt to log in using wplogin.php or wp-admin, and that should be it. You can also do so manually, however there is a lot of steps, so I won't be going into too much detail, but pretty much you just need to rename the wp login file, but first make sure you have a backup. It's best if you just back up all your files, but yeah, just go ahead and rename your WP login PHP file, and then go into that file, edit the PHP, and find and replace all the instances of WP login with a new URL path. And once you replace all of them, you should be good to go. Then you just have to upload it using FTP to your site and make sure that the old one is deleted. Then you need to add logout and lost password filter hooks to functions PHP, which is encompassed by this code right over here. Then you just need to test the new login URL and delete the old file afterwards. And you can also add the filter hook for login URL, and you can also change the login URL using htaccess. However, I do caution you to not play around too much with your PHP file, and especially not the htaccess file, but you do whatever you think is best. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.